National Secretary of Republican Party of India RPI Athawale Maheshwar has accused the Manipur government of abandoning people during tough time, as president's rule was not imposed to control the violence, but rather it was imposed as elected representatives failed to reach consensus among themselves. In a video release, Maheshwar termed the imposition of president's rule in Manipur as unfortunate, as people in the state continue to face immense hardships due to the conflict which started in May 2023. President's rule was imposed as elected leaders could not come together and form consensus. Maheshwar further asserted that these elected leaders will carry bad reputation if they cannot unite and come together to save the people of Manipur.
Huzik leriba Manipur ki situation se miyam prajana pambar chuna natte laiba PRC irang se lakshan mangamdre kaina lakpa PR natte sarkar form to bangamdagi lakpa PR ni seng harabada kendra amadagi karaiba mihut representative oin laiba singse isai gi kendra dagi mihut oiraga laaga Manipur gi damakta lepapa matamda imalai bak sigi lepapa matamda role ama lawjage haiduna laiba representative amamamne sigi meyam se punjal le hara kanda achauba decision lawram daida ada yekna ban Manipur thugaina ba torpa matamda constructive oiba protective oiba combine decision lawsige haibagi protective silama combine thamsige na khandoba mikup sida mamai lerega chenba manba ama yawbase nungaijade si mamai lerega chenbagi manba maramna akhoi PR se laibani na haijage akhoi isagi responsibility lawba ngamdabagi damakta PR se lakpani haijage. So we request laiba leaders sing se isagi mihut oina laiba representative sing se amato in decision lawbiraga stable government ama yam thuba matamda semna bhona biu maramdi sina wana leriba tangdu leita da leriba koi miyam prajada kari thokadab no na lerigai timing sida sigi mukcharak chahingnaba pham pamba manbagi khoi kulauta na ba manba lobby to na ba manba si ubu matam sida praja na nungai ba hona de